It's Monday and we're having fun here on Atlanta & Company. I'm Christine Pilara. If you're looking in the mirror and you've got some sagging under your chin that's bothering you, or maybe your stomach has grown that muffin top that you just can't seem to get rid of, well, now is the time to call Blue Cosmetic Surgery and Med Spa. Guests get individualized care in clinical medical aesthetics, traditional spa services, and lifestyle-based wellness programs. And this morning, I'm so excited. I'm going to have one of their procedures done live right here. Embarrassing, but I'm going to do it. And joining me now is founder of Blue, John Stupka, and patient care coordinator, Angel Maynard. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us, Christine.
I have to tell, I was telling John in the commercial break, I had a fantastic oxygen facial. Speaking of just their regular, spa services, that was phenomenal. Something that everybody should get before they go to those parties. My face was glowing.
That is a good one right before the holidays.
Right before the holidays.
Best one.
But we're going to get to the other stuff in a minute. Tell me more about Blue.
Sure. Well, we're right in Midtown. We actually did open a location in Huntsville about 3 years ago as well. So for those over on that part of the world. But Atlanta's offering a little bit of everything. It's everything you can imagine under one roof to make you feel better and look better from the outside in and from the inside out. So we do everything from massage on one floor to a salon on another floor to a lower level where we do medical aesthetics like laser treatments, Botox, laser hair removal, our laser liposuction we're going to talk about, and of course our most popular treatment right now is our EXILIS.
Excellent. And speaking of that, there's some popular things that John suggests that we get right now during the holidays. If you want to just look perfect, we're going to see so many friends, we're going to parties, we're going to see relatives. So what are the two most popular right now?
Two most popular right now is our Smart Lipo laser liposuction. I'll let Angel tell you about those in a second, as well as our EXILIS skin tightening, body contouring, and fat reduction. And that's a complete non-surgical, no downtime procedure. So it's very, very popular right now.
And that's what they're going to do on me, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's start with Smart Lipo. What is it? How does it differentiate from regular lipo?
Smart Lipo has the added component of a laser to it. So it's just like regular liposuction, except the laser helps liquefy the fat and helps with the downtime. So you have less downtime, less drainage, and you can have it done under local. So we do it right there at Blue in Midtown. You're awake. When you're done, we wrap you up and you're on your way. Only a couple of days that you might need to be at home and down, and other than that, nobody would know you had anything done.
Wow, that's fantastic. And talk about who's a great candidate.
Somebody that has stubborn pockets of fat. So if you've got fat under this area in the chin, in the abdomen, if you've got it in the flanks or the love handles, those are the places where you can get Smart Liposuction done, where if you're dieting or exercising, but it's just not getting rid of it, we can take care of it for you.
I know, and my husband always talks, he's in such great shape right now, so if he's watching at home, I'm complimenting him, but he'll always say, right back here, I can't. And he is thin, he shouldn't lose another pound. He eats right, but if you just have that stubborn fat, then you're a candidate. And I love that one of the suggestions was too, obviously, if you have a big event, a reunion, a party, this is the opportune time to do that. And let's talk about the results. What can we see?
Well, you will definitely see, Smart Lipo is not a weight loss component.
Look at that.
So you will see some body contouring, you will see slimming, you will see areas that you've not seen in ages go much smaller. So it definitely has some shrinking to it. Now, if you look at that top one, she looks almost like she could be mistaken for pregnancy. It takes some of that away, will flatten you out, and it definitely will make you look better in your clothes.
And that's just 3 weeks afterwards.
3 weeks out. Is it kind of the gift that keeps on giving?
It is. Yes.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Oh, look at that. That's a big difference.
That is a big difference, and it will take years off of you. Look at her before and look at her after. That probably took 8-10 years off of her appearance.
Wow, that is just beautiful. And speaking of that area, talking about a good candidate for the EXILIS, which is what they're going to do for me today. In my case, and my mom is beautiful. She's not watching, but I'm like, I don't want to offend anyone. No, my mom is gorgeous, but I've seen this area. And sure enough, on me, I'm 44. I've just got this. You can't see. It's getting bad. Just this loosening of the neck. It is to the point where I was saying I don't want to wear my hair back anymore because it just seems to magnify this little bit of a turkey thing that if I'm having it 44, 54, it's just going to be way worse. So that's where EXILIS comes in, right?
Yes, because you don't have an issue where you need to have fat removed in that area.
It's
what
just
you've got is tightening. You've got a loss of elasticity, and it happens to all of us as we get older. So what EXILIS does is tightens up that skin. It's a thermal heating procedure that uses radio frequency to add elasticity back in the skin and pull it tight. Again, one of those things that's going to help you take a few of those years off.
Right.
If you've got a young looking neck, the rest of you is going to look young.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like here, I feel like I do so much with the right products for my face. I get good facials.
Right.
I get a little Botox here and there. But so all of a sudden, I feel like this is looking okay. And right here is like, hi, I'm almost 45.
There's a few areas that give us away. Sometimes the neck and the hands. And the hands will do it. And if you take a look at that neck there.
Whoa, I hope I get results like that. That is awesome.
And it's done over a series of treatments. So one treatment builds upon the next treatment. It's wonderful for the face. You can use EXILIS on any part of the body.
Okay.
But it's really, really good on the face, and you start seeing results really, really fast.
And this is just as popular with men as it is with women.
I heard.
So is the smart lipo. And the smart lipo, for you mentioned your husband. I mean, that is probably the area for guys. Just, you know, you exercise a lot, but you just have these little love handles. That's a life's cruel joke.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it really is, because you think you're doing all the right things, and it's not working. Look at that beautiful picture. Look at how much more defined her jawline is. And again, we're talking about taking back the years, and you really can't tell. Is this something also like smart lipo that keeps kind of working gradually?
Yes, you will get results. Now, smart lipo is a permanent removal of fat.
Oh, great.
EXILIS, you will get results. You'll see results for about 18 months up to 2 years.
And then you just get a refresher.
You might need a refresher, you might need to come back in, do a little maintenance. And then we also offer discounts. So if you buy a package from us, and then in a couple of years you say, hey, I might need a tweak. Yeah, so we do discounts for those members that have come in and had it done before.
Well, Miss Dana has informed me, you're a lovely technician. I need 4, so I don't know what to say about that.
4
I'm not going to get offended, because I'm like, do it, have at it. So I think she's going to kind of test it out here on me, and I will be able to tell you guys how it really feels. Okay?
And this is a procedure that's done in our facility in Midtown, right on 10th Street. Dana is the most comforting and knowledgeable medical assistant that you'll meet. She has taken this procedure by storm over the last year or so since we've been offering, I guess, about 18 months now. And we've just seen phenomenal results with it for all the areas that you're talking about. I'd say, especially around Thanksgiving, people really start thinking about having things like this.
And Dana was telling me, because I'm going to schedule some appointments throughout December, so that in January, when you guys come back, we can look at my results.
Yes.
And she was saying that they need to be spaced out about what, 10, 12 days, 2 weeks?
About
7
to 14 days or so.
Okay.
I think if you're consistent with your treatment, you're going to get the best results.
Okay.
And then we can really work with you on a treatment plan that works for your schedule. We are unique compared to just a regular doctor's office, because we are a medical facility. We have surgeons and doctors that work with us, but we're open 7 days a week.
Okay.
So,
oh, wow. I didn't realize that.
Right.
Listen, I will make time, okay? To turn back the clock, I will do that.
Yeah, so you have to tell us how this feels while you're having the treatment. It should probably get a little warm.
Yeah, it's just starting to get warm. Nothing that I can't handle. As I always like to say, no pain, no gain.
There you go.
Yes.
And how long are the procedures done? An hour?
If you're having the area done in your jowl area and under the chin, like what you're having done, Christine, that would probably take about 30 minutes tops.
Okay, good.
So you could come in on your lunch break, have it done. There's no downtime afterwards. You might be a little bit red, but nothing that anybody would notice. Nobody would ever know you'd had this treatment done.
I got to tell you, it's very relaxing. It's nice and warm. It's not too hot. And yeah, just with her rolling over my skin like that, feels like a little bit of a warm massage.
Yeah, kind of like a hot stone massage.
Right.
A little bit.
We customize each treatment too. So if Dana recommended that you have 4 treatments, she did your evaluation and decided 4 is the minimum. You can do 4 to 10 treatments.
Oh, Dana, that makes me feel better.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's why I said
I was like, 4.
4 is the minimum. So if all you need is 4, then you're in good shape. But we will have you come in, and Dana will do a consultation. You'll also meet with me, and we will decide how many treatments you need, what your goals are. Everything is individualized.
I know we were showing pictures of you know, the befores and afters. Where would you say, John, people are coming in to get this done the most? Is it around the face?
It's interesting. I think most women are interested in treating that area. My mom calls it her turkey neck. I would have to say that it's Thanksgiving time, so we're going to leave the turkey necks to the turkeys.
Yes.
And get rid of
That's right.
anybody that has the loose skin around the jowls. I think that's the most noticeable area. For women especially, I don't think that men seem to notice that as much. They usually want to come in for the body contouring and to work on the waist and the love handles.
Got it. Okay. Well, it feels so wonderful. I cannot wait to see the results. And I know you guys have a great special for Atlanta and Company viewers. So tell us what it is.
We're actually offering a free consultation for these procedures. And the first 10 callers that call will get a free holiday gift card with their consultation.
Awesome.
So they call us at our main number in Midtown at 404-815-8880. They'll get a free gift card, and there's our gift cards being displayed right now. We have some great specials for the holidays coming up on Black Friday here, so those will be listed on our website.
Fantastic. I got to be honest with you. I don't want this to end, but I do have to get up and read a tease. Or can I read my tease from here, Miyoshi? Let me see if I can. All right, let me see. Coming up in just a minute. Oh, for more information, I got to read that. Oh, it's not on my paper. Doggone it. Okay, 404. I didn't want it to end. 815-8880. BlueCosmeticSurgery.com is the website. Guys, call right now. I'm telling you, that felt fabulous. 404-815-8880.